Alright, class 10, in this video we are going to practice how to do laundry, what we put in as far as colors go, and how much soap. Nehemiah is going to help me. Alright, so first thing we do is we're going to open the lid to the washing machine. Okay, then I've already separated the clothes. We're going to be washing clothes that are dark in color. So he's not going to just pick up the bucket and pour it in there. He's going to take little pieces at a time and he's going to put them in the washing machine. Nice job. Alright, are we full?
Yep.
Nope, we have a little bit more room, so we're going to add some more clothes. Nice job. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit more. We have a little bit more room. Perfect. Okay, so in my washing machine we have a place for softener, it's a little dirty, and detergent. And this is the detergent that we're going to use. It's different in every house, but this is the detergent that we're going to use. It comes with a lid, and in this lid it tells you how much to put in. So for big loads, we're going to put in a full cup. So we're going to do it like this though, because our washing machine has a max line, but this way we don't use too much soap. And so everyone can see how a little bit more you can fill it, because we're doing a large load. Perfect. See, we're not using the whole bottle, we're just using a full cup. We're going to pour it in there. Okay, and for me, in my washing machine, it shouldn't go above this, and it doesn't. So then we close this. Okay, close the lid. Alright, then first we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to pick the cycle that we want. These are clothes that are darker in color and clothes that we're outside doing like gardening and stuff in. So we don't want to do a quick wash, we want to do a normal wash. Okay, and then since all of our settings are correct, we want it on warm, we want the spin to be high, and we want normal water. So we're going to press start. Nice job.